Heya! It's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel and welcome back me! Ayan! Ang tagal ko nawala dito guys sa channel ko but finally I'm back. Thank you so much sa inyo nanonood ngayon. Finally I'm back and for my comeback video, I'll be trying out and reviewing Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It Liquid Foundation. Tingnan natin guys if yung product na to worth the hype siya. Maganda ba talaga siya? Kasi ang dami talagang nagpupush sa akin na to na Ate Boo Boo, please review yung Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It Liquid Foundation. And ang dami talaga. So, tingnan natin if maganda yung product na to and if it's worth investing yung mula. Sa video na to guys, ito try out ko tsaka i-review yung Squad Cosmetics na You Can Face It Liquid Foundation. And I'll also be doing like a mini tutorial para sa inyo sa look na to. So, if you wanna cop this look, I'll be doing a mini tutorial of this. And guys, the products that I used sa look na to will be listed in the description box below. Lastly, guys, before we proceed to the video, if you have any makeup or beauty questions that you have for me, you can always message me on my Instagram account. It's at makeupbabuya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. And if there are questions that I couldn't answer dahil magkaiba tayo skin type, for example, or needs, whatever, then you can always post your questions sa Facebook group naman natin. It is called The Internet Buddies by the Boo Familia. The link will be in the description box below. Huwag kayong mahiya dun mag-post ng questions, guys, because your fellow Boo fam is super duper willing to share their tips, insights, and whatever products that they love as well. So without any more further ado, let's proceed to the demo and review and the mini tutorial. So they have 6 available shades para sa kanilang You Can Face It foundation. Pero guys, hindi ko nabubuksan yung iba kasi parang ang sayang. So parang gusto ko na lang i-give away kesa sa buksan ko, 'di ba? Kasi ang sayang kasi alam ko naman yung shades na to, yung ibang shades, hindi siya magsusuit sa akin. I wanna give away the other product. So, let me know kung gusto niyo ng giveaway very, very soon. So, the shade that I am gonna be swatching is Warm Light. Actually, hula ko lang to na eto yung feeling ko na babagay sa akin. Kasi, again, hindi ko sinwatch yung iba, hindi ko na tinest sa skin ko kasi ayaw ko nga buksan. Feel ko, eto yung Warm Light yung para sa akin talaga. And tingnan natin if mako-cover niya yung blemishes ng skin ko kasi ang dami-dami ko talagang blemishes ngayon. Sobrang nag-break out ako, guys. First impression, napaka-lightweight ng foundation na to. Yung in-expect ko na consistency niya ay medyo thick na creamy type of liquid foundation. Pero ito napaka-light lang na parang BB cream siya. Almost BB cream like yung consistency niya, which is good kasi napakagaan lang niya. Pero kahit napakagaan niya, parang yung coverage niya ay full na agad. Not super full, but almost there full. Ganun. Hindi din siya medium, but hindi din siya full. Nasa gitna lang siya. Left side ng face ko, dito talaga ako madaming blemishes. So, let's tingnan natin if na-cover niya. Uy! In fairness, na-cover niya, guys. Na-even out niya. Oh my gosh. I think this foundation is a little bit lighter than me. Mali yung hula ko, guys. It's too light for me. Ayoko kasi nalagay ng foundation sa forehead ko. Kaya nakikita niyo talaga, you can really see the difference between my forehead and my the lower half of my face. Ito try ko i-mix si medium tan. Tapos mabango yung niya, yung scent niya. Ayun, medium tan nga. Sorry, medium tan ako. Hindi ako warm light. So, if kasing kulay tayo, go get medium tan. Ayun guys, ang ganda ng foundation. Na niya talaga, na-minimize niya yung blemishes sa skin ko. Hindi lang talaga minimize, na-cover niya talaga. Maganda yung shade range nila kasi Filipina-friendly talaga yung shade range. So, I really like it. I don't feel the need to use concealer na kasi na-cover niya na even my darkest blemishes, natakpan niya. So, if you have the same skin as I do na may blemishes, may acne marks, and deep, dark, like brown acne marks, and feeling mo, kailangan mo pa ng concealer para takpan yung blemishes mo, hindi mo na kailangan, girl, kasi kayang-kaya na takpan ni Squad Cosmetics na You Can Face It foundation. See? You can face the world without concealer. Carry na kahit foundation nila. So, ang ganda. Right now, guys, I'm gonna contour my face using Careline's contour stick. This is, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng foundation na to. Kasi alam nyo, guys, sobrang nag-dry talaga yung skin ko lately na hindi ko alam ano yung skincare products na kailangan kong gamitin para mag-hydrate yung skin ko kasi hindi ko talaga sobrang na-stress siya. Ayan, puyat din kasi alam mo yon yung nag-aabang ka sa news kasi if magla-lockdown ba sa province or sa NCR, hindi mo alam. Kaya abangers ako palagi. Kaya napuyat ako and stressed. May nagtatanong sa akin, guys, Ate Booya, ano yung brush na ginagamit mo? Yung brush set na color black tsaka puti yung tips. Full color to from Shopee. It will be also in the description box below if you wanna check it out. By the way, yung brush na to, guys, na ginagamit ko for my contouring my nose. Hindi to part ng full color na brush set. This is from a separate set. Pero eto na lang yung nag-survive. Alright guys, so before I set my face with powder, I usually like to apply my blush muna. The cream blush that I'm gonna be using is from Issy & Co. Ito yung cream blush nila in the shade Femme Rose. And I also like to add on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna set my face using Skin Potion's Glowdust. This is in the shade Sizzle. Actually, any shade will work for me. Kahit ano ka, deep Bilena ka or mestiza ka, any shade will work for you. Kasi, actually, finishing powder naman to, guys, eh. Yung maganda dito, guys, kasi it has like a very, very, very subtle glow that it gives to your skin. For my brows, I'm gonna be using Issy & Co.'s Brow Refiner in the shade Brown. Ang dami nang tatanong sa akin, Ate Boo-Boo, what is your go-to pangkilay? Or ano yung go-to mo na brow gel? And yung go-to ko is either this one or yung Sunny's Face Life Brow Grooming Gel in the shade Warm Brown. Favorite ko talaga siya. And meron siyang microfibers, guys, that makes your brows fuller. Sa mga girls and guys who have already thick brows, they're asking me, Tibuya, ano yung magandang brow gel para sa amin? Huwag kayong gumamit ng brow gels na may pigment kasi it will magmumukhang mas thick yung brows niyo, which you wouldn't want. Stick kayo sa mga clear na brow gels, yung mga walang pigment. Kaya hindi ko nirecommend yung mga brow gels na may pigment eh, kasi tingnan nyo, pak! And it only took me like few seconds to achieve full natural looking brows. For my lashes, I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite voluminous Lash Paradise. And kita nyo, na-murder ko na talaga yung mascara na to. Tingnan nyo. It's so used and abused. Ganito siya ganda, guys, yung product na to. This is the only mascara that worked for me na hindi nagdo-droop down yung lashes ko throughout the day. I don't feel the need to retouch. And it doesn't make my eyes sleepy. Kasi may ibang mascara, guys, kagaya ng Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, pinapantok niya yung eyes ko. So, ayoko nung Hyper Curl. Alright, for my lippy, I am gonna be using Dear Self Beauty's Blurmatte. This is in the shade Odette. Usually, hindi ko bet yung shade na to. But dahil parang bagay siya sa background, gusto ko bold lip kasi to contrast my eyes and to complement the background behind me. So, yeah, I'm using Odette. By the way, if you wanna check out my swatch party ng Blurmatte, si Canon, nasa description box below yung link. Kailangan yung i-shake yung Blurmattes ninyo or any velvet tints for that matter, lalo na pag matagal nyo nang hindi nagagamit dahil nagsaseparate yun yung oil or yung binders niya tsaka yung pigment. Kaya you need to shake it off. It's a bright coral color. Yeah, I think this is gonna suit the background. Yeah! Diba? Bagay siya sa nagko-contrast siya sa background, guys. For my contour, I'm gonna be using EB Advance's Face Trio and the Fig Trio variant. Dami din nagtatanong sa akin, Ate Booya, ano ma-recommend mo na magandang contour, blush, and highlight? Guys, nandito siya in one palette. Ang ganda ng contour, kita nyo, I already hit pan. Ganda ng contour kasi hindi siya ganun ka-dark na parang harsh siya on our skin. And buildable siya, so mabibuild up nyo yung itsura ng contour on your face. And then the blush, napaka-suitable din for mestizas to morenas. And the highlighter, so good, very, very good for Filipino skin. Kasi yung kind of highlight niya is a deep gold, not too deep, but deep enough na hindi siya parang nag-white cast sa skin natin. Hindi siya nagsiseparate, but it feels like it's a glow from within. Hindi kagaya ng ibang highlight na parang pinatong lang on our skin, which not a big fan of. Alam niyo talagang bet na bet ko siya kasi sira na siya, guys. Like, konting push na lang, matatanggal na to yung mirror from the palette. And I also like to contour dito, pataas, guys, para parang na-lift yung face. And huwag kayong mag-contour dito, guys, sa baba. For example, nag-fishy face kayo, ganyan. Dapat dito kayo, sa taas yan. Sa taas ng, diba, ito yung parang line. Huwag kayo sa line mismo. Dito kayo mag-contour, like, above the line. Tapos, kailangan pag naka-contour kayo, nakaganyan talaga. Char! Very lifted yung face, diba? Tapos, yung blush, guys, hindi ko na dadagdagan kasi para hindi na siya mag-clash sa lips ko. So, gusto ko lang, MCBD lang siya. Tapos, I'm just gonna apply highlighter. Apply ko lang siya on the high points of my face, also on my brow bone area. Ayan. See? Look at that natural looking glow. Walang white cast, which I super love. Alright, guys, so this is my look. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of it. Like this video if you like my look. So, guys, now let's talk about the Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It Foundation. They offer 6 relatable shades daw. So, yung claims nila sa You Can Face It Liquid Foundation, nakasulat sa Shopee nila, is that buildable coverage daw siya that gives your skin naturally fresh finish. So, I definitely agree naman na buildable yung coverage niya. You have a lot of blemishes like I do, pero ayaw nyo na nagko-concealer. And kahit full coverage siya and buildable yung coverage niya, gusto nyo yung lightweight pa rin. Ito yung foundation na para sa atin. Kasi yun yung mga foundation na gusto ko na hindi ko na kailangan mag-concealer. Foundation lang, okay na. Ito naman, kahit dry yung skin ko, yung liquid foundation na to, kahit nagsiset siya, matte siya, hindi siya, parang wala yung feeling na dinadrag ko yung brush application. So affordable. The price, guys, it's only for 180 pesos. And by the way, you'll be getting 11 grams of product, which is very, very good. So that's it for my review and mini tutorial. Let me know kung ano yung mga videos that you want to see next. Been a while since I've filmed, so I don't know what topics or products you want me to put out for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below because I'd love to do them for you guys. Anyway, guys, if you have makeup or beauty questions for me, don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's at makeupbabuya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Guys, please don't be shy na mag-message sa akin. You can always message me. Minsan matagal ako mag-reply, but I see to it na nagre-reply talaga ako. If there are some questions that I can't answer, guys, you can definitely post your question naman sa ating Facebook group called the Internet Buddies by the Femme. The link will be in the description box below. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any comments or video suggestions for me, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.